Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So tomorrow is going to be a very important day, right? You know what is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the Union Budget 2023, and in fact this is a budget of the world's biggest democracy, and in fact it is very important for each and every citizen of India. Not only that, it is also very important for each and every trader in the market, right? So we don't know how the budget is going to span out. We'll see how for the last 10 years how the budget has performed, how much Nifty has moved, and what percentage of return Nifty has given. Now, a few days back, I posted a video about VIX, India VIX on budget day, how India VIX has performed. Now, to give you some perspective, in the last 10 years, 8 or 7 times Nifty has ended up in the green only. Market has ended up in the green only. So maybe the probability of market ending in the green is very high. And Adani issues history now, right? I think it has been subscribed more than 90%. And a few days down the line, people will forget these things. Adani and all, they will forget, right? So that's why we don't invest in stock option, or we don't trade in stock option. So better Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty itself is more than enough. If you are super rich, you can go and trade in stock option. If you are not rich, you can stop, or you can trade only in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, right? And as I told you, if you see for the last 10 years, what has happened is Nifty has actually moved, like it has been entered in green and red and green only. So 2013-14, last 10 years I am talking about, 2013-14, it was Congress period. P. Chidambaram was the finance minister. So Nifty has in 2013 it has closed in negative 2%, and in 2014 it was flat 0.4%, right? And Arun Jaitley period, BJP government, next government from 2014 to 2018, it was around crisscross, except 2017 we saw market rallying 1.8%. Apart from that, it was all flat, kind of flat. It was zigzag movement in Arun Jaitley period. And then in between, Piyush Ghoshal did his budget, gave the budget speech in 2019. Markets were flat by around 0.6%. Then came Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, from 2019 to 2022. Markets were really flat in 2019 and 22 only. In fact, it closed in the red, and 2021 was a bumper year. You know why it was a bumper year? Because it was a period of this thing. What is that? Coronavirus. And government had to give lots of subsidiaries. They reduced the interest rate, and they in fact gave a lot of concessions. So that was the period that's why 2021 was very famous year. And there is a famous word, Nirmala candle, right? So market Nifty moved by 4.7% in the year 2021. And 2022 around 1.4%. So whatever happens, what is going to like I posted a video a few days back, and we talked briefly about the VIX and how you can deploy strategy. In fact, we deployed a strategy few days back. It's in profit only. Last week also we deployed some straddles. It is in profit only, and we can feel the India VIX dropping down. Today trades and all was super really in decent profit, because India VIX dropped around, I think, 3.5% or more than 3.5%. So that was a positive news. Tomorrow it will further come down. Maybe we will see India VIX below 15, right? Let it move anywhere, let it go wherever it wants. But what will happen is India VIX will come down, and it is going to work in our favor. So I wouldn't advise you to buy an option, but I would advise you to sell some short straddles, short strangles, and ratio spread, non-directional strategies. Of course, there's a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Things may go out of hand, right? But what I personally think is, since this is the last budget, this government is going to give something for rather than like what usually they do is they work in favor of corporates, and they work defense, right? They work in favor of defense. In fact, 2/3 of budget is allocated for defense, right? So maybe since this is the last budget for government this period, 2024 we are going into election, they might give up some boost to infrastructure, they might give some boost to, in fact 2019-20 they told, Nirmala Sitharaman told that 70,000 crores of market capital infusion will be done in public sector bank. Maybe they will initiate that one, and infrastructure projects, multiplier effect. If you invest in infrastructure project, you you improve the transport system, you improve the schools, hospitals, urbanization, urban development. So if you do this, all these things, people will get more jobs, and in fact it is going to be a chain reaction, and this is called multiplier effect, right? So if they give some boost to infrastructure, if they give some boost to public sector, PSU sector, and if so on and so forth, maybe we will rally. So whatsoever, just be careful. If you are an amateur trader, if you are uncomfortable with this budget session, please stay away. Don't try to play smart. That's what I told yesterday also. So it is really up to you whether if you want to trade or not, right? Even if you want to trade, at least try with 2 or 3 lots. You will make good money. And do non-directional strategies. There will be a drastic drop in India VIX, so it will work in your favor. And apart from that, if you see, what is very interesting is India open interest, right? Open interest analysis, yesterday only I told it is irrelevant, but since we are going into the budget, maybe I thought we will look at what people are doing. So what we can see is people are writing 17,600 short straddle in weekly options, right? So we have also done that. We have also written 17,600 short straddle in weekly options. And Bank Nifty, maybe this is Bank Nifty is a little too much. What we can see is not too much. What we can say is Bank Nifty is around 40,700 levels, and we are seeing significant puts being written at 40,500. And this is, I think, volume is very, very low. That's because Bank Nifty tend to move more than 1,000, 1,500 or 1,200 points in one trading session, right? So it's not wise to trade in Bank Nifty on a binary event. On a binary event like Union Budget, it is not advisable to trade in Bank Nifty. Maybe Nifty also you can avoid, or you can just limit yourself with the Nifty, right? So that's how things pan out. So we'll come out with a video tomorrow how things have worked or how much we made. We have a good number of position in Bank Nifty and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So tomorrow is a very important day for me as a trader. So let's see how things pan out. Nothing much to talk. So just as I told you, just be careful. We'll see. And one more thing, last but not the least, I think Statistics Department came out with a 6.8% GDP growth rate. So that 6.8% is still fastest growing GDP, highest GDP in growing economy or world economy, right? So that's what I want to say. So let's hope for the best and see how things pan out tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.